What's going on, YouTube? Ali Dope checking in once again. Did you miss me? Yes, sir. And y'all know what it is. First week of October. It's Creatober, baby. Let's go. All right, but before we hop into Creatober, and if you don't even know what Creatober is, give me a second to explain that. I just want to do a quick channel update so you guys know what to look for in the coming weeks, in the coming months, because we're about to close out 2021. 2022 is going to be an amazing year. So I just want to give you guys a little update, what to expect on this channel moving forward. I want to get the community more involved in what we have going on so we can all grow together. So November and December is really going to be heavy on contests and Q&As so I can really help and we can all learn and create together. Second, I definitely appreciate all the support. The support's been crazy. I've been getting mad downloads, a lot of views, a lot of subscribers, all off this bootleg pack, volume 1. So bootleg volume 2 is coming in November. So be on the lookout for that. I appreciate the support. Once again, thank you guys. Lastly, for the channel updates, is just what do you guys want to see from me? Do y'all want to see more bootleg vintage t-shirt designs? Do y'all want to see more cover arts? Do you want to see more premiere type of tutorials? Y'all let me know. We can all figure it out and then we can keep going from there. I'm here to serve you guys. You feel me? So let me know. Now, without further ado, let's hop into it. Creatober, baby. Yes, sir. I'm excited about this one. Now, Creatober is normally a 31-day challenge. You're supposed to create a design for each day of October. Now, we're doing videos, tutorials, things like that. People just don't have time for every day. Now, I am gonna up my upload count from 2 videos a week to 4 for the month of October. So I'll be having live streams on Mondays from 7 to 9. I'll be dropping tips and tricks. I'll be dropping a full-length tutorial. I'll be dropping a Speedart, and I'll be dropping like a creator rant where I just talk about different stuff that's going on in the creator community of like how to find inspo or how I got started and things like that. So be on the lookout for those for Creatober. It's gonna be a fun week. Now for my Creatober, we're gonna do it 4 weeks, 4 different themes. The first theme is gonna be streetwear. Now I make clothes, if you don't know. I make all types of clothes. I don't just make bootleg t-shirts and stuff like that. So I'm excited to show you guys what I can do in the streetwear aspect of tutorials. Following this intro, you can follow along. There's a Speedart after this. I hope you guys like it. Enjoy, man. Okay guys, this is gonna be the final result. Now please keep in mind this is a remake of another design I saw on Behance. These are some of the items I used, and this is the original design. I'm just using it to teach you guys how this person probably made that design so you guys can draw inspiration from it. I'm not trying to steal it, not trying to copy, not gonna wear this t-shirt. It's literally for educational purposes only. Without further ado, let's get into it. I'm gonna shut up now. Don't forget, you guys, if you like that speed art, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Most importantly, share the knowledge, share the tips, share the tricks. Other than that, you already know. Keep hustling, keep creating, keep learning. Until next time, Ali Dope checking out. Yes, sir.